Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel As Told by Chelsea. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Chelsea. I'm pretty much a vlogger, I would say. I've done videos on advice and stories, and I know I've been pretty inconsistent with the posts lately, but I will get back to a regular upload, so keep a lookout for that. Today I thought I would switch it up today. Do something new, but we'll see. I'm actually going to do an ab workout for you guys, and I'm going to show you the best ab workout that I think will give you the shredded abs that you want. You know, it's summer, so you gotta look right for the beach, am I right? So that is gonna be today's topic. So yeah, basically stay tuned and let's get shredded.